for soap making. We need water, then soda ash. Then we need thickener. Then in brackets, write thickener. I want to give you the different types of thickener you can use. Nitrosol, anti-sol. These are thickeners. They are what makes the soap thick. Just write CMC. Yeah. We have pack R, PAC, then the capital letter R. Close your bracket. So how many thickeners do we have there? 4. Alright. We have Texapon, TEXAPON. We have all these chemicals here, so I'll show you. So you see how they look like. Is that clear? There's something about, what I'm teaching you now, this perfume making, soap making, please, they are called domestic cosmetology. Then we have sulfonic acid, another S. Okay. Sodium, Laryl, LAURYL. First, you mix Texapon, sulfonic acid, and water. Mix them in a can. These are the chemicals. I'll show you which is which. So now you've mixed that in a can, right? Yes. Okay, so now in the main bucket you want to use to mix, you add the thickener, whichever thickener you're using, to 5 liters of water. The next line, just go to the next line, add caustic soda. Add soda ash. Whatever you're adding, as you're adding, you're stirring. Don't worry, we'll do the practicals. Then you stir for about 5 minutes. Remember, we mixed Texapon and sulfonic acid with water in a can, right? Then you add it, or just write adds the mixture from the can. Yeah, I think that will be better for you to understand. What did we mix in the can? Texapon, sulfonic acid, and water. Okay, so now you add the mixture from the can. Okay, then at every stage you stir. As you're adding, you're stirring. Add SLS powder. There's SLS powder and there's SLS liquid. So add SLS powder, then you add SLS liquid. Hello, if you want different color, you want lemon and green, or you want lemon and blue, or whatever color you want, you add perfume. Okay, add perfume to the mixture, stir, then you share before you add your different colors. Also, if you want the same color and you want different fragrance, which is your perfume, as in the fragrance you want to use, you share. Add your color, you share before you add your different fragrances. Banana, lemon. Is that clear? Is that clear? So if you want to do any mixture, at this point where you want to add your perfume, and that's after your preservative. Okay? The way you want to share the color or share the fragrance, then where you want different colors or different fragrance, that's where you share. Is that clear? Okay, so are we good? Can we carry out our practicals now? For today's class, we're making about 15 liters of soap. I told you that, right? And the 15 liters is costing us less than 1,500 naira. The thickener we're using is CMC. This is how CMC looks like. This is what you use in making yogurts too. Yes, CMC. I make yogurt so. CMC or PAP R, that's what you use to make yogurt. But you don't use nitrosol or anti-sol. So if you're using nitrosol or anti-sol, it's instant. You just pour it inside. You don't need to soak. But if you're using CMC or PAP R, you need to soak overnight till daybreak. Is that clear? For at least maybe 12 to 14 hours. So like yesterday, I know I'm going to make soap today. I had to soak it. What's the difference? If you're using anti-sol or nitrosol, the soap comes out like kata. You know how kata looks like? It's slimy. Okay? And me, I really don't like that texture. That's why I don't use it. So I prefer to soak. Like every time I buy, even when I was buying these chemicals, the lady said, she was making soap with a nitrosol. And she was like, use nitrosol now. It's quick. I said, no. It's more difficult for me. Because instead of you to stir for 5 minutes, with nitrosol, you are stirring for like 20 minutes. Yeah. Do you understand? And you are still stirring. So why not? I just take this. For this, I use 6 spoons. Just fresh 6 spoons. And this will be enough for another 15 liters. So what you do, you just take 6 spoons, mix in. Since we're making 15 liters of soap, you ensure the water you're using is measured. I use 3 liters here. So how many liters do we have left? 12 liters. Can you see? It's thick. When you put it in the water initially, it will look like powder form, and don't worry, just leave it. Okay? Then maybe once or twice you just go there and stir. Please ensure you use a clean stick.
How many quantity is this?
This is 75 cl. Takes a pound. Can you see it? So when you go to buy, you know what they're giving you. So this one is hot. So you have to be very careful, okay? It's regularly scan, okay? Okay, see, we don't need too much. Half of this is fine.